Hey guys, welcome back. This is Arjun Mittal here, a professional trader, and today we are going to learn an awesome pocket option trading strategy. I have logged into this pocket option trading account, and we are going to learn about the strategy which can help you making 1,000 of profit in just a minimum period of time. So let me get this maximized first. I have a capital of $9,848.23, and right now I am going to implement some indicators in these currency pairs of binary trading. Right, so we have a settlement ratio of 92% in EuroCAD, and the EuroCAD chart is showing the pattern of towards the upward direction, and we can use this chart also. But I am looking for a currency pair having a settlement ratio of 85% near about. The reason being volatility will be at peak in case there is a settlement ratio of 90% and above. So try to choose a pair having a settlement ratio of, let's say, 80%, 85%, 82%. It will be good for the accuracy, for the winning, and for everything. But if the pair of 80%, 85%, 83% are not available for trading, then we have to choose 92% and so on. Right now, I have selected a currency pair of USD CAD, I think so. Yes, Euro CAD. Euro CAD having a settlement ratio of 80%, and we are witnessing a downward movement, a strong downward movement in this currency pair. And right now, I will implement two indicator here. The first one, I will implement the horizontal line, and we will find the support line first. My support line do exist here and here. All right, here and here. This is my support zone. They both are my support zone. So do draw the line clearly on the chart. If you are trading from the mobile also, you can draw these lines for your working before taking any trade. And yes, this is getting, the price is getting support from here, and I can take a risk of one trade here. So I did put the one trade. Okay, let me implement the strategies. Let me implement the indicators first. So my first indicator will be parabolic SAR. Where is parabolic SAR? Parabolic SAR. And parabolic SAR, in the parabolic SAR, we will keep the setting as same, but we will change the uh, settings too, so that these dots can be seen properly. Okay, I am going to lose this trade, no worries at all. And the second indicator I am going to use is Bollinger Band. The Bollinger Band indicator let you know the trend. We will change the period to the 18, deviation will be 2, and style will be 3px in the green line. All right, all things are set. Okay, we will implement one more indicator here. The third indicator will be MACD. MACD will help me in getting the intersection between the trend lines, and the fast period will be 14, so solo period will be 28, signal period will be 19. Change the color as of light 3px, and red line is also 3px. Save the setting, and yes, everything is now properly corrected on the chart. The Bollinger Band is clearly showing the trend is going up direction, and the intersection between the green line and the red line in the MACD indicator is also showing that trend is, the price of this euro CAD is corrected, and right now it is going to show that it will keep pushing itself towards the downward direction. So is the parabolic SAR. The parabolic SAR are showing the dots at the upper chart, upper candle, and we are waiting for the right moment to take trade. But I have to wait for like one or two candle before taking any trade. There was intersection between the red line and the green line, and there was parabolic dots here, which was showing that trend is going towards the downward direction, and we can take the trade on these four candle, and we can win But right now I am waiting for the right opportunity. I place the trade towards the upward direction at this level, but it broke the support, and here I am getting institution that I am going to win this trade. I am not taking much risk here. Reason being, that the reason being, I am not able to take majority of the trade if this is not going as per my working, and I am expecting that trade will go up shortly. And right now, I am waiting for the right moment for trend go up. All right. I am going to lose this trade too. The first loss is $200 and the second loss is also at $200. I am $400 down, but no worries at all. I am much confident about my strategies, and I am surely going to win this trade. I am going to win this session, and I have a target of, let's say, $1,000 in this market, and I will be taking much more trade here, but I am waiting for the right moment before taking any place trade. So the candle is clearly showing the upward movement, and I am going to take 5 trade towards the upward direction. The reason behind this upward direction trade is the Bollinger Band is showing the clear upward movement, and the parabolic SA candle is still showing the trend is going towards the downward direction. But I am going against the trade. Reason being, the price have correctly moving towards the upward direction. And if anyone of you haven't registered on this platform, the link is mentioned in the description box of this video. Go and create your pocket option account today, and $1,000 is at stake, and I am pretty sure that I am going to win this trade easily. But the one thing I am noticing here is settlement ratio is still 85%, but the candle is getting shrinking, and there is a lack of volume in the euro CAD currency pair. And 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and yes, I have won that trade, and 5 trade, $200 each, 85% settlement ratio, and I am in profit right now. The second trade I will be placing after the completion of this candle. The reason being, this line can be working as a resistance point for this EuroCAD. So if this candle break this resistance point, then the trend will continue to go up, and I will be placing more trade on this EuroCAD currency pair. 26 seconds still left. I am waiting for this candle to get complete. All right, I am again placing 5 trade towards the upward direction. The trend will continue to go up, and the candle is formed as an hammer on the resistance point, and it has broke the resistance zone here. So I am pretty sure that this trade will also uh, provide me an opportunity to make a profit again in this pocket option trading terminal. So guys, if you are noticing, the parabolic SAR is indicating the trend is surely going towards the upward direction, and I have estimated that earlier, and right now I am again in profit of $1,000. Initially I lost 2 trade of $400, but right now I am at $2,000 profit at the settlement ratio of 85%, and the trend is surely going towards the upward direction. Let it get refreshed first, and yes, sir. All right. My balance is now $11,148, and I will wait for this candle first. This candle, once this candle is completed, I will be placing more trade towards the upward direction, and I placed the trade towards the, but I took the single trade here. Reason being, I am not much confident about the possibility of candle being formed as green, but I put that trade on the confirmation of the parabolic SAR and the intersection between the MACD lines here. So I have placed again $200 trade towards the upward direction. All right. The trend is surely going towards the upward direction, and I again place a trade of $200 towards the upward direction. The reason being, parabolic SAR is still showing the trend is going towards the upward direction. The intersection between the MACD line is still showing the intersection at the point here, and we have witnessed 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 candle as green, and there are huge possibility that this candle will also come as green and will bring me a profit on this trade too. And yes, my balance is now $11,488. So guys, if you want to copy my trade, you can create an account on the Pocket option today. The link is mentioned in the description box here. This is Arjun Mittal here signing off.
Yeah.